Welcome to Naukri for You, an online study for you initiative. So guys, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm gonna discuss about two job opportunities. One is from Reliance and second one is from Hexaware Technologies Limited. So let's start discussing about these job opportunities in detail. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, so make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well so that you will get all the notifications from our YouTube channel. Now let's begin with our job opportunities. The first one is from Hexaware Technologies Limited and the job profile that is inbound voice process. Okay. And this is for freshers and those who have 1 to 3 years of experience, they can also apply for this. Okay. And if you are a fresher, then also you can apply for this. And if we talk about the package, this would be from 2 lakh per annum to 2 lakh 50 per annum. Okay. And the location would be Navi Mumbai. Now let's discuss about the job description. So they have mentioned the inbound voice process, that is employment type, full-time and permanent. Job description, the roles and responsibilities for this job profile is solving customer queries and complaints via call. So basically you have to solve the customer's query and their complaints. And desire candidates profile open for freshers and experience. This job profile is open for both fresher or experience also. Okay. So these are the skills which is required for this job profile, that is excellent verbal communication must, and typing speed would be 25 words per minute, accuracy is 85%. Shift, day shift, and the time would be from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and week off, Saturday Sunday is weekly off रहेगा. And the salary is up to 14k to 17k in hand per month. And this would be from work from office, and one first dose of COVID vaccination is mandatory. Okay. And work location would be Navi Mumbai. Kindly share this opportunity with your friends also. And this is the contact number. This is basically the number of HR executive. The name of the HR is Neeraj Singh Mehta. Okay. And this is the email address. You can send your CV up on this email address also. Updated CV. Okay. And the education qualification requirement is graduation or 12th pass. The main thing for this job profile is the mentioned skills you have the mentioned skills and the responsibility you have to handle. Okay. And these are the key skills. This is inbound voice process, customer service, international call center, and verbal communication. So this is the Hexaware inbound voice process profile. And how can you apply for this? So just if you already have an account with Naukri.com, so directly click on login to apply and just enter your email address and password and just log in with that account. Okay. And if you don't have any account with this, so just click on register to apply and click, if you're a fresher, then click on this, that I'm a fresher, or if you're a professional, so just click on I'm professional and create register yourself with this, and then create an account and then apply for this job profile. Now let's talk about another job opportunities, which is from Reliance Industries Limited. And the job profile for this job is that engineer trainee. So the job profile is designation is engineer training, and this job is for 0 to 2 years of experience. So if you are a fresher, you don't have any experience, or if you are 1 or 2 year of experience in this profile or field, so that you can apply for this. And the salary is yet not disclosed, and the location would be Navi Mumbai, and this is work from home during COVID. Okay. And now let's discuss about the roles and responsibilities for this job profile. Active support in war room for geography team during new project process and functionality. Launch on real-time basis. Communication to geography teams on new project schemes and commissions and payout by using platform tools and apps. Creation and monitoring of surveys about product and schemes feedback in Geo Central. Deployment of tabular and dashboards basis defined rules and logics as per involving business needs. So basically these are the responsibilities which are required for these particular job profile. Okay. Now let me tell you about the key skills which are required for this job profile is operations, query resolutions, communication, project management, customer service, back office operations, advanced Excel. And this is about the company. So I will put the link in the description box so that you can go through it and apply for this particular job profile. Okay. So basically this is about the company. And for again, how can you apply for this? So the process is same for both the job opportunities. If you already have an account with this, so just simply click to log in to apply, and enter your email address and password, and sign in and apply for this job. And if you don't have an account, so just click on register to apply. And if you are a fresher, so just click on I'm a fresher or I'm a professional. If you are a professional, then just enter your name, email address, create password, and enter your mobile number, current city, and upload your updated resume, and just click on register now. So this is how you can register yourself with this, and then you can apply for your job profile. Okay, now again guys, I'm reminding you that if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, this is our YouTube channel basically, so just click on subscribe button and press the, don't forget to press on the bell icon to all, so that you will get all the notifications from our YouTube channel. So guys, this is all about today's video. I hope this will very useful for you. So do share this video with your friends also. And yeah, till then, take care. Bye-bye.